Hello, how to solve for a and b in this equation? A plus b is equal to 13. AB is equal to 130. Solution. A plus b is equal to 13. Let us call this equation 1. Then AB is equal to 130. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, A plus b is equal to 13. B is equal to 13 minus A. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, AB is equal to 130. Let us substitute for B. A bracket B is 13 minus A is equal to 130. Let us open the bracket. A multiplied by 13. Here is 13A minus A multiplied by A. A square is equal to 130. Then here we have 13A minus A square minus 130 is equal to 0. This can be written as minus A square plus 13A minus 130 is equal to 0. Let us divide all through by minus 1. Then this divided by minus 1, this divided by minus 1, and this divided by minus 1. Minus A squared divided by minus 1. This is A squared. Then plus 13A divided by minus 1. This is minus 13A. Minus 130 divided by minus 1. This is plus 130 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. From quadratic general formula, A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A, or minus B plus or minus square root of discriminant over 2A. Then from this equation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 13, and C is equal to 130. A is equal to minus bracket minus 13 plus or minus square root of minus 13 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 130 over 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus times minus 13, that is 13, plus or minus square root of 13 square, that is 169, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 130, that is 520, over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to 13 plus or minus square root of 169 minus 520, that is minus 351 over 2. And this is same thing as 13 plus or minus square root of minus 351 can be written as square root of 351 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. But we know that square root of minus 1 is equal to I. This can be written as A is equal to 13 plus or minus I square root of 351 over 2. A1 is equal to 13 plus I square root of 351 over 2, and A2 is equal to 13 minus I square root of 351 over 2. These are the values of A1 and A2. We've gotten the value of A1 and A2. Let us solve for B1 and B2. To solve for B1, for B, that is B1 and B2, then from equation 3, B is equal to 13 minus A. B1 is equal to 13 minus A1 is 13 plus I square root of 351 over 2. Then B1 is equal to, this is over 1, the LCM is 2. 1 into 2 times 13, that is 26 minus 13. If you open the bracket with this negative, we have minus I square root of 351 over 2. B1 is equal to 26 minus 13, that is 13 minus I square root of 351 over 2. Then also B2 is equal to 13 minus 13 minus I square root of 351 over 2. B2 is equal to 26 minus 13 plus I square root of 351 over 2. B2 is equal to 13 plus I square root of 351 over 2. This is the value of B2. And here is the value of B1. Therefore, our final answer are A1, B1 is equal to 13 plus I square root of 351 over 2, 13 minus I square root of 351 over 2. A2, B2 is equal to 13 minus I square root of 351 over 2, 13 plus I square root of 351 over 2. These are the final answer. You can see that the value of A1 here is equal to the value of B2 here, and the value of B1 here is equal to the value of A2 here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.